Did you know that simply squeezing an orange peel near a balloon can make it instantly burst? No sharp object needed, just a powerful chemical hiding in the peel. This isn't magic, it's pure chemistry, and it happens in seconds. The culprit is a compound called limonene found in orange peels. Limonene is responsible for the wonderful smell of oranges, and it is a liquid at room temperature. When you squeeze the peel, this oil sprays out onto the balloon's surface, and that's when the magic happens. Limonene is a hydrocarbon. Latex rubber is also a hydrocarbon, and hydrocarbons will dissolve together if in contact with each other. When the citrus oil touches the surface of the balloon, some of the latex from the balloon immediately begins to dissolve in the limonene. The balloon's rubber starts breaking down. But here's the catch. Most balloons are actually made with vulcanized rubber, and the orange peel trick won't work with your typical birthday balloon. Water balloons, however, are designed to break more easily and therefore don't use vulcanized rubber, meaning oranges and their limonene molecules will easily break down their surface. And here's the craziest part. Depending on the size of your balloon and the thickness of the latex, it should take between 15 seconds to 1 minute for the balloon to pop after the orange peel juices contact the balloon. One tiny squeeze and the countdown begins. Want to learn more mind-blowing science facts? Visit Sikho.ai and discover the world's most fascinating discoveries.